Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us 3 tips. 3 things you can do to increase your chances of getting what you really want recommended to you as a free gift on Temu. Now, I've gotten a lot of complaints or questions from people asking how they can get what they really want as gifts, okay? If you don't do these 3 things I'm about to tell you, then you'll just be giving random things that you might not need. But there are things you should do on the app to increase your chances of getting what you really want, okay? To show you that this really works, I'm going to be showing us what I have on my carts, all right? Yes, so let's start with tip number 1. Whatever it is you want, before I go into showing you the evidence of everything, I'll give us the 3 tips, then I'll show you practical on how everything works. First, search what you want on the app. Let's assume what you want is puzzles for a 1-year-old. I already have that searched here. Just search here, puzzles for 1-year-old. Search it on the app. Like, actually go through everything that pops up after your search. Click on whatever it is, anyone you like. If you know you want, just click on it, look at it. Look at other sellers of that particular product. How you can do that is you click on the picture of what you want, like a camera shape, and then you see other sellers that sell the same thing. Yes, just do that. This is just for you to let the app know that you're really interested in this item, okay? That's tip number 1. Then tip number 2, add it to your cart. It's very easy. If this is what you want, add to cart. Make sure you add it to your cart. Whatever it is you want, add it to your cart, okay? You can even go as far as adding the same item from different sellers. You can add it, maybe 3, 4. Just add it to your cart. And then the final tip is to add it to your wish list, okay? What you do, if you want to add to your wish list, click on that item, scroll down to where you have the information about the seller and the product. Here you have the information about the seller, and here you have the product details. You will see the love or heart sign and save written. Just click there, and just like that, you've saved to wish list. Just those 3 things, and I assure you, you are going to increase your chances of getting what you really want. And there's no way you will not have what you really want being recommended to you as your gift. So now you've done all this, it's time to claim your gift. If you're a new app user, even if you're an existing user, you can use this code and access the gift, okay? You should know that Temu gift comes with terms and conditions. You need to buy some things. It comes with qualifying orders, okay? You need to pay for items to actually unlock those free gifts. So search this code FRS 127497. Click on your search sign, and then you're offered the gifts. All right. So sometimes a little game pops up and all that. All right. Oh, sorry, I didn't show my cart, the items I have in my cart. I forgot to do that. So let me quickly do that. So this is everything I have in my cart. Let's just look at it. I have some children toys here, and then I have these women cargo pants. Just look at everything I have in my cart, okay? So that when I start choosing the gifts, you would see that some of these things will surely pop up. Okay, I have some children outfits here, and yeah, this is just what I have. Now let's go back and search for the code FRS 127497. All right, so I've been offered 6 gifts that comes with qualifying purchases. Like I said, I'll need to pay for some items before I can unlock those gifts. So this is something I have in my cart. Okay, I definitely have this in my cart, so I'll add it as my first gift. Let's see if there is something else in my cart that pops up here. This is also an item that I'm interested in, but it's not in my cart, so I'll skip that. Let's just keep looking. I have this in my cart, all right? I definitely have this in my cart, so I'm going to click on that. The third one, let's check if something else will pop up. This is in my cart, this thermal insulated lunch, but let's see if there is something else that I would like. I have this in my cart also. I've seen two things. I have this children flashcard thing in my cart, but let me scroll down to see if there is something else. Something else is popping here. This insulated bag is also popping up, so I'm just going to choose insulated bag as my third gift. Now let's see, the flashcard is still popping up, so I'm going to choose that. I also have this in my cart. This I think I do magnetic ABC. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I should have something like that. So I'm just going to choose the ABC magnetic toys. Let's see what else. I have these balls in my cart, these soft plastic balls, so I'm going to choose that. And what else? I have this in my cart, this thing that I can use to add what's it called, sanitizer, but I'll just ignore that and see if there is something else I'm going to like here. So we can see that all the tips I've given definitely works. And the reason I'm getting most, like I'm really seeing those children toy items is because I literally searched for all those children toy items before I made this video. The other items that I have, the cargo women cargo pants and the children outfits, I didn't search them now. I searched them like more than 4 days ago. But the toys, the children toys, I literally just searched them before I started making this video. That is why I'm getting all of those children toys being recommended to me as, part of the free gifts I can choose from. So you can see that what I'm saying, the tips I'm giving really works. There is no way you will do these three things that I told you to do and you will not get the free gifts that you really want. It's not possible. Okay. So I'm choosing the last gift. I'm just seeing the children toy everywhere. Like it's literally what I just searched for before I started making this video. And I can choose something else, just any random thing. This is just a demonstration, okay? Now, you see, the other items in my cart now came up as paid items. So if you don't get everything on your cart as a free gift, they are definitely going to pop up as paid items. So there is no way you will use this code as a new app user or as an existing user and you end up buying things you don't need. Using these tips I've given to you, there is no way, it's not possible. It's either you get them as gifts or you pay for them. I mean, it's a win-win. Just imagine you have 10 things in your cart. Instead of just downloading the app, search on the app, place your order and pay right away. Why don't you do it in a way that you can actually split those 10 items, being that you can get 4, 5, 3 as free gifts, and then the others, you still go ahead to pay them, just as you would have done if you didn't use the code. I mean, it just makes more sense. Like you're saving money. This is a way of you, to save money on the Temu app. For me, I would, choose that option any day, anytime. So the paid items now, everything here popping up as the items I should choose from for me to pay. Everything here is on my cart. Remember when I showed you the ladies um outfits, the children outfits, all these are in my cart. I'm not even kidding you. And the children toys, they are still popping up. So you see, I just have to, go ahead and choose whatever it is I want here. Everything in my cart is here. This wig is in my cart. I didn't even tick this wig, but it's in my cart anyway. And it's still popping up here as an item that I can pay for. So I'm happy that I'm demonstrating this so that it will not seem like I'm saying what I don't know. No, because I've actually tried this and it works. And I just thought that I should, demonstrate and show, not just by talking, but actually show it. I've done a video about this before, but I didn't really go in depth to show us, by example. But I'm happy I'm doing this now. So if you want to get your gifts on the Temu app as a new app user or as an existing user, use these tips, okay? The 3 tips I've given. Search for those items in the same time frame. You're ready to place the order and pay and check out and all that. Search in the same time frame. Search for those items on the app, add it to your to your carts, then add it to your wish list. And then after you're done with all that, go ahead and search for the code, the free gift code FRS 127497 on the search bar. Claim your gifts and search. Like, you literally just need to scroll down and you're going to see everything in your cart. If you don't see it in the free gift section, you're definitely going to see it in the paid item section. Okay, so there is no way you're going to be spending your money on things you don't want. No, you're going to be spending your money on things you actually really want, and you're going to choose the gifts that you really want. Okay, just use those 3 tips and come and give me the good news in the comment section, because I know that this is really going to work for anyone that tries it. I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. And of course, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm also going to be leaving my link to other codes, other discount code in the comment section, as well as in my description box. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.